You already know what it is. It's your boy, DP.
This is DP Entertainment Productions.
Oh, I ain't know you was recording me. Who am I with? Hold on, bitch. You got the wrong one. I'm her grandma. Now what the fuck you doing at my house? My house? What you talking about? Huh? What you talking about?
Every time I go somewhere, I always see this
Oh! Every time I see this motherfucker.
Well, bitch, this my sister. Fuck you talking about?
Pow ass.
Where the Finfins This bitch.
Don't
I
want
don't know
to too much.
what is wrong with
And
this
I'm
bitch.
all up in it. Right on.
Yeah, your man was all up in
All up
it.
in it. This who?
Is this bitch Kiki?
Man, I'm on my motherfucking way. Fuck that
Let
bitch.
me find
She
out.
ain't on
Trying
no.
to act all grown.
So you the one was at the club with me last night too, huh?
Who the fuck is that bitch?
You don't worry about it.
Girl, with that fake ass bangle.
It worked than yours.
Ratchet hoes. Girl, get your ratchet ass.
Hey, hold on, don't touch me. Hold the fuck on.
Oh my god, you come here. Oh my god.
I'll be back for you.
Shanae, oh my goodness.
Bitch, you better not. You bitch.
Oh my
She asked
goodness.
her phone.
I don't know, man. Get some ass shots. Swear off. Where your ass at, girl?
Where your ass at?
Girl,
With
where
your
your
skin,
ass at, girl? Where your ass at, girl? Where your ass at, girl? Where your ass at?
Where your ass at? You ain't got that.
Girl, whatever.
You feel?
Ratchet ass.
My man don't want
Ratchet ass. Hold on, play with
My
me.
man don't want
Why
you.
you trying to come with me?
My man don't want you.
Girl.
He was zipping down this dick.
Let go. Girl, when he was
hell the fuck no. You ain't don't put your hands on this.
Fuck you talking about.
Girl, I need a drink.
Huh? What's this?
Huh?
Take it with you.
It's my wig.
Take it with you.
It's my track.
Take it with you. That one track, why you only got one track in your hand look like buckwheat?
Yeah.
Hey buckwheat.
Okay.
Buckwheat, let me buy you a bottle.
You don't know now.
You just came from busting your panties all up your back.
Alright. And he busted in my mouth. You see the white stuff?
Bitch, you can, hold on, bitch. He can bust in your mouth. You can go ahead. I don't swallow kids. You can swallow them.
Damn
You can swallow them.
Always, I'm
swallow kids.
always there.
Ratchetadhole.com.
Told me you won't take showers, so that's why he can't get me.
PU, is that your crack? Oh my god. PU, is that your crack?
Call my man phone.
Girl, that's my man, boo. That's my man. Fuck you talking about. I know where home is. Oh, he ain't left yet. He ain't left yet.
Hello.
So ugly he is. You just a thought.
Where you at?
Hey, thought.
Brandon, Grandma said you gotta go to the store.
Fuck up. Ain't going no goddamn store. And a motherfucking kid. Where the fuck Keith at? Where the fuck she at? Shit. I always gotta do something for my wife. Where the fuck her girl key is at?
Brandon, you ain't gonna go to the store where?
I told your motherfucking ass ain't going to the goddamn store.
Granddaddy,
Huh?
Going to the store?
No.
Kids need diapers. Granddaddy,
Ah!
are you going to the store?
Yeah, no. Hey! Hey, Gurky, come help your granddaddy here, boy. Damn, Clan, get up. Watch out, there, kids. I love y'all. Granddaddy coming through, man. Going to love y'all.
Granddaddy.
I would have left them, man. He's like that.
Fuck you all. My own way. Hey, babe. How you doing? Okay. Oh, fuck you. Fuck.
Granddaddy, sit down.
Go, we got go. What's the damn chatty? Go give me some whips. Where the fuck Keisha at? Don't know where the fuck she at. She ain't. I bet she throw that money out of my purse too. Out of my pocket.
I'll get them off of me like that. We got high team ball.
Granddaddy, oh.
God damn it! Fuck! Fuck me! God damn it!
So if it go this way,
That motherfucking pussy. God damn. What the fuck y'all laughing at?
it go like this. It don't go like
Shit, I go down.
this. So all that stuff.
She got to fucking go. She disrespected. I don't like that.
Who the fuck y'all got my think she is? Girl, baby, bye.
Oh, you don't know me. You don't know me. I'm gonna mop in a mirror and shoot your motherfucking ass.
Your pamper leaking.
You say what? You say what? Oh, okay. I don't like you. I love my grandkids, but I don't like your motherfucking ass. You ain't mouth too much. Why the fuck you went back and told Keisha? You loaned me some food stamp. You ain't loaned me shit.
I did know you know.
You ain't loaned me shit. Goddamn, say I got 100 for 75. It don't work like that. Goddamn it. My kids get food stamp. They. Oh Lord, my blood pressure going high. Man, I'm gonna have to go to ICU tonight. Oh shit. You get your ugly ass up and do something around the house. Shit, don't tell me what happened. Bitch, you know what happened. Shit, you went out last night, you worked all night, take the goddamn garbage out. Damn, do something. Damn, go something. Man, I'm tired. Bring me $150 check home. Fuck. And I'm the one paying the bills in this goddamn house. I don't want people politicians and shit in the bathroom and shit to wipe your ass. And now you want to sit here and tell me to go. You know what? Ooh, you bitch. Bitch. I throw this motherfucking can in your mouth. Stop playing with me, bitch. I'm telling you. I told you. I told you. Yeah, and Casey told me you stole her flat screen TV, so what the fuck you do with it? Oh, good daddy, I ain't you. You a motherfucking lie because our TV was in her room. So how the fuck you? How the hell you been in her room? That's why we gonna give her in the morning and go to the pawn store. And your motherfucking dad stole my kid TV. I'ma shoot your ass with AK-47.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
See my great kids. See, Lord, I got my great kids.